He gives power to the weak, and to those who have no might he increases strength. Not that I speak in regard to need, for I have learned in whatever state I am, to be content. He will not allow your foot to be moved, he who keeps you will not slumber. Therefore do not worry about tomorrow, for tomorrow will worry about its own things. Sufficient for the day is its own trouble. Be of the same mind toward one another. Do not set your mind on high things, but associate with the humble. Do not be wise in your own opinion. I have set the Lord always before me, because he is at my right hand I shall not be moved. The Lord will fight for you, and you shall hold your peace.